Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is your boy Christian, and today we have something very special. So we just got a recent shipment of some new merch from them, and my guy Dustin went ahead and sent us this. So now whenever we go to the meets, we can plop this right in the windshield, let everybody know what's up. I got some more business cards as well, but the coolest thing that I just got was this. So you guys know that I have an STI and an S2000, and if you saw the first video, you'll notice that I got the boosted t-shirt. Well, check this out. Dustin went ahead and sent us the all motor t-shirt as well, so I'm super stoked for that. Huge thank you to him. And once again, if you're interested in getting 15% off your next order, go ahead and use my code CG15 and they'll save you some money. Now, another cool thing that I actually got from them is these shorts. Super comfortable. They're like this dark camo. Here, let me show you. Check it out. So they're kind of like this dark camo with, of course, the Drive logo in front, and they do have the string so that you can pull them tight depending on your waist size, of course. But yeah, I'm super stoked to have received these things. I got a couple of things for my family as well. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Today's agenda, we are actually going to be going to Sanford Auto Spa to get some post-track day decontamination done on the Suvi. If you haven't seen the previous video, go check that out. I took my STI up to New York Safety Track and it was a blast, to say the least, but I don't want to get into that too much. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get some coffee for my guy because I appreciate him getting up early and doing what he's doing today. And yeah, we'll head right over there. So I'll see you guys once we get there. Listen, when you appreciate people's efforts, show it with action. Don't just tell them. I mean, seriously. It's 7 a.m. FYI. They open at like 9. So huge thank you to John for taking care of me as he moves this piece around to accommodate some space. It's usually never really dirty at all, if anything. Passenger side looks mint. John hasn't even touched this, but you know, just little things like this. It doesn't even, it's not that serious. My side is usually the dirtiest, of course, for me getting in and out of the car. Yeah, so we're gonna vacuum the inside real quick, and then the fun part is gonna be seeing the outside. Built in.
Is it already bleeding off?
Yeah. That's that one that turns purple, right?
Uh-huh. Yes.
This thing is gross.
It smells like shit too.
Yeah, I know.
You'll see it on the rims turning purple, but the wheels are a lot darker. You see it over there?
Yeah. I see it already. see here, look at the difference. Oh my goodness. You can actually see the bronze in the wheels now. All dry now. My guy John is applying some bead maker, which is essentially what, like a silicone dioxide, pretty much.
Exactly. It's got SiO2 properties. This way, you're gonna get that nice hydrophobic. It's not permanent like a ceramic coating, but
Right.
it'll do the
But in
job.
between washes, it'll help.
Yeah, if you apply this every wash, you'll definitely maintain the color.
Nice.
It doesn't streak. It's very user friendly.
Cool. Alright, if you remember what the tips looked like before, you can see that it is a night and day difference. Just a lot of it goes into the details. Subtle things like having clean exhaust tips just makes the back end of the car look so much better. Alright guys, so we officially cleaned everything. You can see the engine bay is looking 10 times better, especially where the coolant launched pretty much everywhere in the engine bay. Like brand new. If you guys are interested in getting anything done to your car, I mean PPF, wrap, ceramic coating, paint correction, headliner, if you're looking to get something painted on your car, any type of wrap, hit my boy John up over at Sanford Auto Spa. I'll make sure to leave their contact information down below. They definitely take good care of you. Super quality work, which is something that I value extremely. But other than that, it's like we never even went to the track. That's how clean it is. You would never notice. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out the previous video where we actually took it to New York Safety Track. That is definitely some awesome footage in there, as well as, you know, something that you could probably learn a little bit. If you've never been there, you can get an idea of where the braking and accelerating zones are. But other than that, thanks so much for watching once again. Don't forget, never stop growing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.